Hey guys, so here's the other part of my haul. I do subscribe to Fab Fit Fun. This is like my 4th box. The last one was the summer one and I loved it a lot. Just about everything in it was really great for me. This one I have a feeling I'm not gonna enjoy as much. So, let me open this baby up and hope that this camera angle doesn't screw with everything. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? Let's see. And it's all dusty because my FedEx person sucks. That one's gonna be like, oh, totally lopsided. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. So we got the magazine that we always get. Megan Trainer. All these things that I never use. Let's see. See, I already knew. This Avita, whatever, damage remedy. I can't use this. I actually follow the curly curl method for my hair. I have wavy hair. So anything that has silicones, parabens, waxes, specific types of oils, specific alcohols, I can't use. It's just not, it doesn't fall within the method. And I think like the third, let me see. Water, alcohol, something, 3, 4, 5. This does have quinoa seeds, so it does have protein, but it does have a silicone, which I can't use. I ordered the earrings, or I chose the earrings, because what is this? I really wanted those. Oh, this is the Humankind lotion thing. And it smells, let's see what it smells like. Oh, I can't open this thing. You know, these influencers make it look so simple, don't they? Oh, doesn't smell bad. I don't know anything about this brand. It's also really warm. I actually have a box of these already from a previous box. I like them. And I'm traveling soon, so I will for sure be taking some of these. Even though I know that gold has no actual skincare properties, because I'm obsessed with skincare as well. Of course I am. This is Skin Vault Body Boost Gel. Oh, Tone Firm Smooth Pre-Workout Activator. Oh, I didn't know this was coming. Ooh. Oh, is it sealed? Yes, it's sealed. Of course you can't smell it because it's sealed. Oh, dear Lord. I think I need more coffee today. Now I can't open. Okay, I'm not opening this because I already like destroyed the little tabby thingy. I heard these are good. I don't know. I'm excited to try them. Let's see. Oh, they do smell yummy. Oh my God, they smell yummy enough to eat. They look like marshmallows. Like, there's these organic marshmallows they sell at my market. Not that I eat organic food, but... Well, okay, I eat organic food from Trader Joe's. So there you go. This is the, excuse me. This is the Kate Spade lunch bag. It's definitely plasticky, like super plasticky. Mine doesn't even say Kate Spade right here. It says it like right there. I thought it said it like right there for some people. Well, it is what it, oh my God. It straight up smells like plastic. And I picked this because I found that, I think it was a couple boxes before this or maybe last year's fall, they included this blanket and it's a freaking dream. I love it. It's like super soft and yummy. Like really, really yummy. So I don't know. I feel like maybe the stuff that they pick that it's like this, like fabric wise, it's really good quality. This feels yummy. Ultra soft plaid scarf. Is it plaid or plaid? How do you say it? I don't know. But again, I'm traveling, so this will come in handy. I'll just wrap myself in that. And that is the end of my box. So as you can see, yeah, that's the end of the box. Not much, really. I'm gonna add it up and see what the total for my box is, but it feels like mine was one of the ones that was on the lower end of the price range. Which, okay, so in reality, the only thing I can't really use is this. So is the box worth it to me? Well, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this. I might buy this. I wouldn't buy this. Did I already say that? I might buy this. So really, I totally would buy this. I would not buy this. So, oh, the earrings. For the price that they are, which is like 30 something, I'm gonna go with the new. No, but not pay 30 bucks for them. Not when you can find something at Claire's that looks exactly the same. So, there you have it. Is it really worth it? This one was not. I don't hate it, but based on this box specifically, I wouldn't tell you guys to like go out and get the subscription. So, that's just me. Like I said, the one before this one was bomb. Like everything was fantastic. So, and the one before that, I think I could use about half of what I ordered in it, if not more. So that one was kind of worth it too. This is the first one in a while that I've been like, meh, I could do without. So we'll see what the next one brings, but you know, hey, at least it's a change from fountain pens. Just saying. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, you know the drill. Links will be below. That's getting really old to say. Is it really necessary to say that in every video? The links will be below. Everybody knows that. Don't they? Okay. I'm not going to say that anymore. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say like button and subscribe because that annoys me. So we're going to stick to that. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later.